Mama, long time.
Asante, nashukuru kukuona.
How is Nairobi?
Nairobi is fine. We are doing well. We have seen the Lord. Amen.
Mama, I have one question I want to ask you. What makes you to be in this industry this long?
This industry, I was born with it. I cannot say that I found it in this world. No. My mom used to tell me that it was from when I was 4 years old. So I have no idea what made me to love this ministry, because I have grown when I am in love in that ministry. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Mama, do those people know, watu wengi sana wanakuangalia as a role model na wanakuangalia pale, what can you tell them?
Na waimisha kwamba kwa wakati uko na huduma, Mungu hahitaji mambo mengi. Mungu anataka utakatifu. Hiyo tu. Mungu akihitaji utakatifu, mupe utakatifu. Yeye atakupa kile anataka ufanye.
Wow.
Mungu awape neema, na watu ambao si waombezi huwa wanaanguka kwa haraka. Mtu akiwa muombezi na angoche Mungu, kitu kinaumiza waimbaji wengi. Siwezi sema I don't want to call this ministry industry, because industry is where everything is. Yes, I want to call it a ministry, not a industry. And I want you from today you change. Start calling it a ministry, not a industry.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you so much. I love young singers who are coming up now, and I'm praying for them. Kwamba mimi ndio nikuwe taa ama ningale, nilingoja Mungu. There is nobody who doesn't know my testimony. I have come from very far, and I know God is taking me somewhere. I am very much available. If only you can invite me.
I wish you were tomorrow. Tuko segment ya uimbaji kesho. I wish ungelikuwa huko.
By the way, tomorrow I can't, because I'm going back to Nairobi, and I'm the one who is conducting the church, and I can't mess with those people.
So Mama, one word to the singers, upcoming singers who are watching you and listening to you.
Yeah. I'm encouraging them that there is nothing which doesn't have a challenge. And in every challenge, God will make a way for you to come out of that challenge. Let them stand and wait for the Lord.
Amen.
That's my prayer for them.
Thank you. One word for the guy who has done the wedding.
This is my spiritual son. I love him so much because he's devoted. He's very much devoted for his work. And they want to be. You know, there is something good. Like when you see a young coming singer who is interested to be. He is very much devoted and they want to be. And I'm praying for him, and I'm ready to support him, to stand with him. In any way I can, so that he can stand and preach the gospel. Again, I pray for him for this marriage, because he has never in this situation. This is a first day to be called a man. It's a new chapter for them, and I pray that God will give them wisdom and knowledge. Without wisdom and knowledge, they cannot go anywhere.
Amen. Thank you very much.